How to use Webflow to make a website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Webflow account and sign up to it. After that, this is where it will take you. Now you just have to create a new site, and for that just make sure that you are on all sites option, then click this option of plus new site. After that, you can either create a blank site and design it according to your needs and requirements, or you can choose any of the site from this template. And when you scroll down, you can also purchase some templates according to your budget. In case if you don't have any budget, then scroll further and you will be able to find free templates. In case if you want to explore them, just simply click on this option of view all in order to check and find out the best one for you. But in case if you want to start a fresh site and customize it according to your needs, just simply select this one and click on select. After that, just name it according to your project, and I'm naming it tutorial for now, and click on this option of create site. Wait for it to load. Now over here you get different options to choose from in order to design it, and on the left hand side you get the option of plus over here. And when you click on this is basically the elements, and you can just simply drag and drop these elements in order to create buttons or the text or any other thing that you want to add. So let's add a container over here. Now when you select this particular container, you will be able to see all the options related to it on the right hand side panel. And here you can customize its size, position and typography and all the other stuff related to it. You can also change the color of it. It is currently transparent, but you can change the color. Now let's change its size, and after that you can also add other elements according to your needs, like you can add the button or the text. Let's add the heading over here. You can name it as tutorial, and in order to change the font or any other thing related to this particular text, you can just go over here on typography on the right hand side panel and make changes to it. Or you can also check how it looks. And in case if you want to make this heading come into the center, then just simply select this option of display over here, then select the second one. Then in this option of justify, you will be able to find this option of center, and this way you would be able to bring this heading in center. You can also add different logos over here. In order to add logos, you will have to open up this option of assets. Now just upload the logo of your web page or the company or whatever project that you are building, and after that just simply drag and drop that particular logo over here, and this way you would be able to do that. And when you go to this option of elements over here, when you scroll down, you will be able to find every single possible element that you would need would be available over here to you, like the text area or the YouTube or linking different buttons or slides or navigation bar. You can also embed other websites as well. So just simply drag and drop them and you would be able to create the website using Webflow, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.